How to Study for Exams, Tips and Tricks, Part 3. In this video, we will cover some tips and tricks to help you prepare for any exam and improve your studying. Tips and tricks to help your learning. Use downtime to your advantage. Use the extra hours to get ahead of assignments or start big projects or papers. You should plan to work on your studying every week, even if your exams are a few weeks away. Become a teacher. Try to explain the material in your own words, as if you are a teacher. You can do this in a study group, with a study partner, or on your own. Saying the material aloud will point out where you are confused and need more information, and will help you retain the information. As you are explaining the material, use examples and make connections between concepts, just as a teacher does. It is okay to do this with your notes in hand. Reconsider multitasking. In order to study smarter, not harder, you will need to eliminate distractions during your study sessions. Social media, web browsing, game playing, texting, etc. will severely affect the intensity of your study sessions if you allow them. Research is clear that multitasking, for example responding to text while studying, increases the amount of time needed to learn the material and decreases the quality of the learning. Focus on active studying. Simply reading and rereading texts or notes is not actively engaging in the material. Think of reading as the important part of pre-studying, but learning information requires actively engaging in the material. Active engagement is the process of constructing meaning from text that involves making connections to lectures, forming examples, and regulating your own learning. Active studying does not mean highlighting or underlining texts, rereading, or rote memorization. So let's recap. 1. Use downtime to your advantage. 2. Become a teacher. 3. Reconsider multitasking. And 4. Focus on active studying. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we share ideas for active studying.